System is the library. Class shipping free calculator ang shipping free calculator is mo na siya ang name sa class. Static void main is mo na siya ang starting sa execution. Console.write enter package weight or kilogram prompts the user to input the weight of the package in kilograms. Double weight or double dot parse console red line reads the user input and converts into a double to represent the weight of the package. Console.write enter destination local or international asks the user to specify the destination local or international. String destination console.readline trim reads the destination and trims in extra spaces around the input. Console.write is the item fragile, yes or no, prompts the user to answer whether the package is fragile. String fragile console.readline trim reads the user input and trim spaces. After collecting the inputs, it calls the calculate shipping fee method to compute the shipping fee. Double shipping fee. Calculate shipping fee, weight, destination, and fragile. This line call the method calculating shipping fee, passing the weight, destination, and fragile information as parameters. Console.write line is the dollar. The total shipping fee is a dollar sign and shipping fee. Display the calculate shipping. Calculate shipping fee method. This method determines the shipping fee based on the weight of the package, destination, and whether the package is fragile. Double shipping fee equals to 0. Initialize the shipping fee to 0. Local destination logic. If the destination is local, case insensitive. The program set the shipping fee based on the weight of the package. If the weight is greater than or equal to 1 kilogram, the fee is $5. If the weight is between 1 kilogram and the 5 kilogram, the fee is $10. If the weight is less than 5 kilogram, the fee is $20. International destination logic. If the destination is international, case insensitive, the program calculates the shipping fee based on the weight in similar manner. If the weight is between 1 kilogram and 5 kilogram, the fee is $10. Like same longitude as local destination logic. Additionally, for international destination, a flat $15 fee is added to the calculate shipping fee, and the shipping fee is equal 15. Fragility logic. If the item is marked as fragile, answer is yes. An extra $5 is added to the shipping fee. Returning the shipping fee. The method returns the final calculated shipping after considering weight, destination, and fragility. Example of the program flow. Weight 2.5 kilogram. Destination is international. Fragile, yes. This program calculates the shipping fee based on the package weight, destination, and whether it's fragile, providing the user with a cost for their package shipping.